Install the filter cup to filter the debris in the cutting fluid. Install a vacuum gauge to monitor whether there is vacuum loss during the drainage process. Initial pressure is 0 bar. Installing the suction hose. Install the hose to the vacuum pump. Turn on the vacuum pump hose switch. Vacuum gauge value rises. Turn on the suction hose switch. There is no liquid in the vacuum pump hose. Waiting for the reservoir to accumulate liquid. Drainage will only start when the accumulated liquid reaches 1 liter. When draining, all 4 indicator lights are on. No vacuum loss during draining. Drain again at intervals. Let's increase the liquid inlet flow rate. The drain cycle will be shorter. This is its adaptive drainage. Meet the maximum liquid separation demand of 5.2 liters per minute. Each discharge can ensure the stability of vacuum pressure. Ready to connect to the auto valve vacuum table. Turn on the vacuum table switch and the thin plate will be clamped quickly. Turn the switch to the self-cleaning mode and let the vacuum table suck in clean water. At this time, pour some clean water, which will be sucked into the vacuum table to clean the internal cavity. It will then be pumped into the automatic drain device. When using a vacuum table, the vacuum is not lost during the drainage process. The vacuum automatic drain device perfectly discharges the liquid in the vacuum work holding system. If your vacuum work holding system needs to automatically separate liquid, please consult us.